So I know I always say that wherever I go and I tell people that I wear wigs, even if they have healthy hair, they want to try on wigs. So today I have some people with healthy hair with me. I have my daughter, Ariel, who has a lot of hair. I don't know how we're going to get that under a wig. We have Rebecca, who is our marketing manager, and then her mom, Janet. One fun thing would be they look very similar, like facially. So we thought maybe we would put a wig on Rebecca that looks similar to Janet's hair, but I don't have something exact, just to see if that makes you guys look, even more alike. All right, let's go. You ready to look?
Ready? Do I look like my mom? Janet, is that you? Is that me? Me in the future. So what do you think? Are we the same now?
You guys definitely look similar.
Oh, it does.
love it.
Yeah, I could see more of the similarity now. I actually love this.
I know.
Yeah,
You
I
know what?
absolutely love it.
Maybe we
I
should
love
go-
the color on her.
I know. I
Yeah.
That lightness. I honestly,
I
with
really
your
like it.
complexion,
Right,
and
my
your mom has
eyebrows.
dark hair, I thought dark
Yeah.
would be best, but
It's so
Who
cute.
knew? Who knew I should go gray? I don't have any grays.
not
but-
yet.
this is Tray chocolate rooted, so it has brunette and like an ashy.
Yeah.
really
but it does
pretty.
give like kind of a gray look. That's why I like
But
to
it's
wear
still,
that.
yeah, a little
It's really
blondish.
pretty.
And,
Yeah.
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 I wonder how you would look in this
I
color.
wondered
Yeah,
you.
you want
Do you want to try it
Let's
on?
try it.
All right.
I really like it. It looks so natural.
Here's Rebecca. First of all, what do you think of?
I love it. It's not her. It's not
It's
her.
not exactly me.
Yeah.
I have very straight
Yeah.
hair, so.
Oh, 'cause
Okay.
your hair fits you. It's the dark. It's the nice.
True. I did try to go blonde once and it did not work.
Well, Ariel took a little bit to
Oh,
get all
God.
that hair up.
That's
She's
so
got
hard.
a ton of hair.
I don't know how people do it.
So, what would be your dream hair? Like, what do you want to try on?
I mean, personally, my hair's my dream hair, but like,
I hate people like
no,
that.
right, weird. I feel like something that's like super straight, or like something just like let's go one direction or the other. We'll go either like super silky and straight,
Okay, we could
and
do
like shorter, because I'm curious if
Yeah,
I've
what
ever seen
about
shorter.
something like
I'll
that?
try
Okay.
shorter, or like some crazy colors.
All right.
Wild.
We're doing this thing where they're not allowed to see it till they get in front of the camera. What do you think?
I look like I'm about to go grocery shopping for like 10 kids.
It actually does look cute on you. Get close to the camera and show. There we go. The issue is she has a big bump in the back here. We would have to actually put your hair flatter.
I tried, but
Yeah, you can turn around and show the back so they can see what I'm talking about. You see
It's not
this?
that bad. It's not that bad.
Yeah, but it is.
I can feel it up here. It's like,
Yeah. But what do you think of the color and the, having straight hair in that length for you?
I do not think it fits my face, but I don't mind it. I mean, it looks nice. I like it.
Okay.
It's just not my.
Darker maybe?
Oh, we
Yeah.
try darker.
Yeah,
I've
we'll
never
do
done
dark too. So what do you guys think of it? Okay, Rebecca, our marketing manager, what do you think of it?
You know, I think it might be like too light in the front for you. I think you maybe need something darker to like.
Try a darker one, yeah.
So when was the last time you had your hair this short?
I think I was like 7, and my dad decided to give us bobs. It was the worst. I cried so hard. And then I just left it long ever since. That wasn't really because of that, but it just.
So is this traumatic for you?
No, that wasn't traumatic. My mom used to get her. I just keep playing with it. My mom used to get her haircut, and she would just tell the hairdresser just cut it, and they would be like, okay, and they would just cut like 6 inches off, and I was like, I hated it because I had always been growing it out, and so like all that effort, that's a year's worth of effort. And so that was traumatic. And then they would do it every year, and it was really traumatic until I was like 25.
And this may be confusing because I introduced you as my daughter. This is my
yes.
stepdaughter.
Sorry. Yes.
And now I think we look more alike.
We've actually been confused. There's been many times where they're like, oh, your mom? And I'm like, well, I mean, yeah, but yeah.
She used to take horseback riding lessons, and I went to pick her up, and the guy said, oh, I could tell right away that was your mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait. I definitely need to fool with
Look at
Let's see.
I think that color
Oh my
looks great on
gosh.
you.
It's so interesting. Yeah,
Do you like that color?
I kind of do. Maybe I don't have to dye my hair that much. Like, that would be great if I didn't have to do that. Yeah.
That's another thing wigs are great for. You get to try
Oh,
things,
wow.
no commitment. You know?
I
Yeah.
also think that like
It's fun.
Wow.
Yeah.
It feels so soft too. It's very soft.
This is NYX in Trade Chocolate Rooted. That's the name of it. NYX.
pretty.
Oh, you put on Ariel's. Okay. That looks
How
great.
we look like.
That's right. All right, so you have on Euro Chic by TressAllure
She's
in
cute.
EL 1222-8.
So if you ever wanted
That's
to go
so
gray,
interesting.
you could do it.
I
Yeah,
love
kinda
just
like it.
seeing how different people look in different wigs.
Yeah.
And how many different colors and styles you can actually wear,
Right.
you know?
I never would have thought that I would look good in that.
No, me neither.
But
I never
you
thought
also
I would have
look
looked
good
good
as
in
a
this either.
blonde.
I like
Yeah.
it. She's just perfect. She looks good on anything.
Oh,
So true, so true.
oh, okay.
All right.
Good.
So this is Aesthetica Avalon in R8 26H. So it's a brunette with blonde highlights. Did the cap feel more comfortable to you or about the same as the other?
It
Actually,
definitely stretched better to get it over my bun, which was nice.
so Aesthetica's known for their stretch.
Okay, yeah,
so.
it was pretty nice.
But you had TressAllure on before, which is also another brand that's good for larger heads. Not that you have a large head, and you have a lot of
Get it
hair
over
in
it,
there in the cap. So what do you think of this?
It's not bad. I'm just
Yeah.
so used to seeing my own hair that it's like, it's so weird.
So
but it's
play
cool.
with it like it's your own. Like,
Oh,
what would you do to
I would
it?
do this.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it worked. Okay, yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, I like the curls on you.
Oh, I got a little bit. Gave it a little extra volume. Okay.
Yeah. And with this one, you can't see the bump. Like if you turn around,
Oh, okay.
because you have all the
Here,
waves,
we'll
you can
do a
turn.
little.
Yeah, you can't tell because you got the waves there.
That's good. It's not bad.
Okay, so this is what
What?
Ariel was just wearing. Avalon Aesthetica. What do you
got a
think?
lot of volume going on. I feel like I'm in the movie Hairspray.
So how would you wear it if it was your own hair?
Honestly, like flowing like this, maybe just like, can I pull it to the side?
Oh yeah, that looks
like
nice.
that.
I think the color's nice on
The
you
color
too.
is really great, I think, on me. It's fun.
Yeah,
It's
it has
light.
the blonde highlights.
Yeah, something like this. She's cute, but I'm not used to this much volume.
Right.
It's more like my mom, but
Right. Maybe this one was more similar to your mom's.
I think
What do
it
you
was
think?
probably.
So I probably picked the wrong one in the beginning. Ariel said this is her last one. She has to catch a flight. This is
Ooh.
Miranda Light by John Renault. And it's in the color, what color? Oh, Toffee Truffle.
Toffee truffle.
Yeah.
Sounds very fancy.
Pretty. So you can get close,
I
look
like
at the
it.
color, play
Might
with
get
it
a little bit more.
Do you like having that style? That
It's very like Rachel from Friends kind of.
ah,
It's not bad.
yeah.
It's still throwing me off because I'm so not used to it, but I like it.
So would you want to go dark, or you're happy with your color?
I'm happy with my color, but it's good to see it as an option.
Right.
I never would have thought of it because it's too terrifying.
Wow, that is fun though.
Cool,
So
right?
rich.
Which was your favorite that you tried on?
I kind of liked that one because it was just like cool. It's like darker, but then it was a little curly.
I think that was my favorite on you too. The
Yeah.
Aesthetica Avalon.
Looked
Yeah.
better on you than me.
No, I like it though. I think
You
it's
both look
been
good.
pretty good for both of us, honestly.
Yeah.
But it's
all
interesting
the-
because look at your faces, the difference in your faces. Like you have a longer face, and I really think that styles coming around your face would be nice. We can
Yeah.
try that too.
Let's do it.
And you have the layers here coming around your face, and I think something in here also looked nice
Yeah.
around your face.
But it's nice. This one's a nice contrast with like your skin and your.
Yeah, same.
And you have the
So
dark
much
eyebrows.
yeah.
Yeah.
It works.
You just tried on the one that Ariel had
Yes.
on. Oh, this looks good on you.
Wow, it's
So there
straight.
you are. That actually looks more like Rebecca's natural hair.
Yeah, you're right. Oh,
Yeah.
it is. I love the highlights.
Yeah, toffee truffle's a pretty
Yeah.
color.
Oh wow, it is really pretty.
Are these feeling comfortable on you or tight
Very
on you with your
comfortable.
hair? Very.
No, it feels very comfortable, and the actual hair feels really soft,
Yeah.
which I'm surprised and pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, and
I
that's
really
a
like
hand-tied
this.
cap, so it should
Yeah.
be, really nice. But this, I really like this
really
color
like
on
it.
you. I like I always wished I had hair like your natural hair.
Oh, thank
but the straight looks nice
I
on you
like this.
too.
Yeah. Oh, I really like it, actually. I like the color. I wish I could. So what's this color called?
Toffee truffle.
Toffee truffle.
Yeah, it does look like you
so
put my
pretty.
hair on and I put your
yours
hair
on.
on. We did a swap.
I love it.
It's true, right?
Yeah. Oh, I really like this, Frannie. It's really pretty.
Isn't it great?
Yeah.
The beauty is you could just wear that out. You
Right.
know, nobody would know. You don't have to get your hair done or get it straightened
Right.
or, you know.
And then people will really think we're sisters.
Oh, if only.
So Janet wanted to try something totally different.
This is
This is Lockwood
wow.
by
This
Aesthetica.
is very different.
RH
Wow.
1488
Who am I?
RT8. Do you like it? I think you look great in it.
It's it's interesting.
Just
I would have
interesting?
to- I would have to like adjust because it's very, very far from.
I think you look so glamorous in
You
it.
think so?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, you got another one on.
Hi. Who are we? Oh, I love yours.
Wow, this
yes,
red
So this is
really pretty.
Current events, Raquel Welch in
Raquel Welch.
Golden Russet. I wore this one to Alex's wedding.
Fancy.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. I
It
love
is.
that coloring. It's really nice. Mine is very dramatic. I had to have to.
I think
Wow.
you look stunning.
Stunning.
I never would have thought a long blonde for you, but who knew?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna have to get this one.
It's amazing.
Well, they say blondes have more fun, so let me test that out.
Yeah.
I'm willing to test it out.
Very different.
Yeah.
Like, who are you?
Yeah,
It does
who
make you
am I?
question who are you when you have different hair.
I really love yours.
Yeah, I like the red on you. How do you
Yeah.
feel about the red?
Oh, it's
Maybe it's my red shirt, but
You don't like
something is like not clicking for me.
really. I think
Yeah.
it's really pretty on your skin tone.
You think so?
Yeah, I like it.
it? Interesting.
Look how pretty. Yeah, I like it for you a lot, actually.
All right, so you put on a blue shirt to see if you like it better with a different color. What's your thought?
I think I do like it a little bit better because I feel like the colors match more. And I feel like I could see the red more.
Which, you know, I talk a lot about sometimes if you buy a wig that's maybe not for your skin tone, you can change it up by changing your makeup, your
Right.
clothing, and you can really see the difference when you change those things.
You got the red back. Yeah, no, actually, I think the red works
I
too.
think it's pretty. I like it. I think it's very pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Do you want to try it on?
You guys can switch?
All right,
All
let's
right.
switch.
I think that looks good on you,
Wow,
actually.
Interesting.
Yeah, see? You didn't think the red looked good, but it does.
Oh, it does.
Maybe because the golden in it, too.
Right.
Like maybe
it's,
you
it's
were...
not pure red. It's there's like highlights and golden color tones to it.
Because you were
like
saying that you have red in your skin.
Yeah, I tend to have like red, so if I wear too much red, it brings even the red out more. So sometimes it's too much. But I don't
love
think that's the
this
case here. I
style
think
on you.
I think it's. I can't get over how soft they are. They really are.
I know people are always surprised when you haven't dealt with wigs, what they feel
they're
like.
really
and-
pretty. Yeah, there's a lot of blonde and there's highlights. So it kind of, I love it. I love the movement. Yeah.
I know, and it's
Oh, I
shorter
think
in
it's
the back
really
and longer
pretty.
in the front, so
Yeah.
you get that, that style.
Oh.
All right, let's see you now. You are wearing the Aesthetica Lachlan in RH 1488
My blonde bombshell
RT8.
daughter.
Wow.
What do you
That
think?
is a wig.
So this feels like a wig on you.
Yeah, like it just feels like such a transformation.
You like
So
it or you don't
different.
like it?
It's very different, It's you gotta like take some time to soak it in, but
I think it's important for you if you're going to wear something this light blonde that you have the rooting because you have
Yeah.
the dark eyebrows, and I think without the rooting,
Yeah.
yeah. Might be a little too cool for me, I think. Too icy blonde.
yeah, like maybe something a little bit warmer.
A
You would
little
like.
warmer. Yeah.
But it looks pretty.
But the
Like,
layers
it's very
and
stunning
the
and pretty.
length, like it feels so soft. I like that, but maybe a different color.
All right. You want to try another one?
Yeah.
They wanted to try something short. The front's not as short. This is Los Angeles by Beltress in buttered toast rooted. So what do you think?
It's very interesting.
Would you play with that in any way?
I think, I think I actually would.
And if you turn around and show the back, you can see it's short back here.
I like it.
Yeah.
Strange, oddly enough.
And now Rebecca's
pleasantly
wearing
surprised.
the same
Wow.
one in mocha maple brown.
Whoa.
So what do you think?
Whoa, that is short.
Do you like it?
You know,
I'm getting a no from that. You can say no.
I'm thinking like I could go this short, but maybe like straighter. I don't know if this curl I'm loving.
I kind of like mine.
It's not bad.
looks
It's
cute
not
on you.
bad.
Yeah.
I like this side of my head.
It looks good. You can see that it's short and, you know, the waves and all.
No, I kind of like it.
Yeah, it's kind of cute.
Yeah, you
This is a
guys
good
look
angle.
cute. Like twins.
It's cute. It's so fun. It really is fun. It's pretty, and I think it'd be easier, like you're running out and putting it on, or like depending on the outfit you're wearing, it'll look really cute with a nice long neckline. Yeah, I think so.
So is trying on wigs what you thought it was going to be like?
No, it's really fun.
Every time
I did not think it was going to be as fun and also as uplifting.
Yeah.
Yeah. As women, we're always thinking, oh, I wish I could do this, and but we're a little nervous about changing our hair color or styles because it can be permanent, at least for a long period of time. But I found this experience to be really fun.
Yeah, and for me, like, it never ceases to amaze me when people come, and I've seen them all along with the same hair, how many colors and how many styles a person can wear.
Right.
Yeah.
You
It is
think that
amazing.
you will only look good in what you're used to.
You're locked into one
That's
style,
exactly
one color.
what I thought. Like
I'm-
every wig that I thought I wasn't gonna like,
Yeah.
I loved.
Yeah.
Same for you. You thought you weren't gonna.
I really
Look
have
good.
never ventured out of my comfort zone with my hair or style. So for me, it's been a really good experience. And I'm actually, you know what? I love the lighter color, the more ashier, the more maybe grayer.
That's a
Kinda
big
like it.
takeaway. I
Yeah.
think for you, the color, because your natural hair is gorgeous
Thank you.
and it looks great with your skin. I couldn't believe how good. This is completely different.
Completely
the ashy,
different. Yeah.
it looks so good on
Yeah.
you.
I like it. Thank you, Frannie.
Sure.
I think that like I could go really short. Maybe not this short, but I usually always have it pretty long, just like long layers. But if I wanted to, I could probably do something like this.
Yeah, you know, like I was saying before, because the shape of your face, I think something coming around this, you know, length in the front is nice for you.
Yeah. I think
Could work.
we learned a lot today. We discovered a lot.
Thank you so much for doing
Oh, no,
this.
thank you for doing this for us. I love it.